Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss exercise 10.3, question number 6. Okay, vector algebra. Find modulus of vector A and modulus of vector B if A vector plus B vector, A vector minus B vector equal to 8 and modulus of A vector equal to 8 of modulus of B vector. These all things are given. Very simple question. Firstly, I will take these two. Obviously, this is in the form of A plus B, A minus B. I'm just multiplying it first, okay? This is exactly same. I will cancel it this two. A plus B, A minus B is nothing but A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. That is modulus of A square. A vector dot A vector, we always consider it to be modulus square. And B vector dot B vector is modulus of B square. These two minus plus will get cancelled out. Now, modulus of A square, modulus A square minus B square, that is A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. We are putting the modulus because it's a vector quantity. Instead of modulus of A, it is already given 8 modulus of B. Therefore, instead of modulus of A, we are putting 8 modulus of B. B, we are keeping it same. 8 into 8, 64, and modulus of B vector square. 64 minus 1, 63. Modulus of B vector square, we have 8 by 63. These are simple calculations. 8 can be written as 4 into 2, 9 into 7. 4 means 2 square, 2 went out, 2 root 2. 9 means 3 square, 3 went out, it is 3 root 7. This is the B value we got. And what we required? We required the modulus of A vector. A vector means 8 into modulus of B vector. Just multiplying this value here. Okay, we get this answer. Very simple. There's nothing to worry. Only the thing here is A dot A vector is modulus of A vector square. That is A square. Okay, only the modulus is the additional one. This is question number 6. Now, if I take question number 7, evaluate the product. Same thing, we just need to multiply 3A vector into 2A vector plus 3A vector into 7B vector plus minus 5B vector into 2A vector minus 5B vector into 7B vector. A vector, we know this is modulus. A vector dot B vector, we are keeping it like this only. B vector dot B vector is modulus of B vector square. Simple. There's nothing new here. Question number 8. Find the magnitude of two vectors A vector and B vector having the same magnitude and such that the angle between is 60 degree and their scalar product is half. Okay. Firstly, we need to determine what it is. A vector and B vector having the same magnitude. If magnitude are same, therefore we are putting it modulus of A vector equal to modulus of B vector. It's already given because same magnitude. A dot B vector equal to half. That means, and the scalar product. Scalar means A vector into B vector dot B vector. That is simple calculation. Scalar product A dot B vector equal to half. And theta angle is given as 60 degree. We have one formula. Yesterday we are discussing this. A dot B vector is modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector, cos of theta. We are just putting the value. This is half cos 60. Modulus of A and modulus of B. We are putting A because modulus of A equal to modulus of B. So instead of B, I am putting modulus of A. Modulus of A, this is a square. So this is modulus A square into half. Cos 60 degree is halved and half cancel out. Modulus of A square is 1. Therefore, A is 1. Modulus of A equal to modulus of B equal to 1 because both modulus of A and modulus of B equal to 1. The magnitude are same. Simple question. Any doubt, let me know. Okay. Next questions we are going to discuss is question number 9. This is also an easy one. If find modulus of x vector, if for a unit vector, A is a unit vector, and whenever we know unit vector, then modulus of that particular vector will be 1. Okay, if it is a unit vector, modulus of that vector will be 1. Now these terms are given. Okay, this is comma, this is a separate one. X dot x vector, x dot a vector dot x vector, and a vector dot a vector. These two got cancelled out. This is also same like a plus b, a minus b. Modulus of x vector square minus modulus of a vector square. 12. As I said, unit vector, a is a unit vector, that means the modulus of that vector will be 1. Therefore, we are putting it 1. 1 to the other side, this is 13. We required modulus of x, therefore it is root over 13. Simple thing. We are not using the, it should be plus minus 13, but not using the minus 1 because it's modulus. Okay. Thank you, everyone.